Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to replace the battery in a Garmin Nuvi 750. This is a Garmin Nuvi 750 and this is how it looks like, and we are going to be changing the battery, and I also am going to teach you how to tell if you need a new battery, so like the diagnostics and what have you. So let's get started. This is how we tell if we need a battery or not. In order to see if you need a battery, turn it on, turn the unit on, let it boot up all the way. Let's zoom in so you can see what's going on. Once the unit is fully loaded, on the battery icon, click and hold your hand. Let me make the screen brighter so you can see. The flickering that you see is because of the screen darkness. Okay, so now no more flickering. See, the battery is bad already. It jumped from up to down. But I'm gonna show you how to tell. Let me plug this in. So the way you tell is where the battery icon used to be. Of course the battery icon disappeared because I plugged it in. But if as soon as you unplug it, you see the battery icon there. That's where you press and hold, just to the left of the time. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use a pencil, because if I use my finger you will not see what I'm pressing and holding. So I'm going to use a pencil. Let's go back and increase the volume, the brightness. Okay, so this is the area where the battery icon used to be. I'm gonna press and hold. Don't let go. Press and hold. Don't let go. Keep it there for 30 seconds. There it is. This is where you see the diagnostics, and this is where the battery status is shown. If you look at the battery right now, it says charging, right? But if you unplug it, I'm looking at this thing right here. It says charging, right? So if I unplug it, stay on, look at the rapid drop of the charge. Look how rapidly it drops. That is a defective battery. It shouldn't drop that rapidly. So you can exit from here and turn off the unit, and let's replace the battery. Okay. To replace the battery, we have to open these two screws only. There are only two screws that are will give you you will gain access to the back of the unit. Just two screws. For opening the screws, you need T5 star-shaped screwdriver. Okay, so the two screws, do not misplace these because they're not easy to find. They're very small. Now we have to remove the back cover. So you could use a prying tool, or if you have long nails. Today I don't have long nails. Usually I have long nails, but I don't have it today. So I'm going to use a prying tool. Okay, so I pried it out. Now when you pry it out, you basically have to use a prying tool, like put it here and twist, here and twist, here and twist, here and twist all around to release it. Once you release it, you have to be very careful because there are wires attached to it. You have speaker wire and you have the battery wire. So unplug the speaker wire, otherwise it's gonna break from here. Like that. And unplug the battery wire from here by sliding it out like that. This slides down, this slides out this way to the left. And this is where the battery is. So we set this aside, and this is where we're going to be working. Now what we need to do is we need to put the prying tool underneath this and twist so it can come up. But make sure that the prying tool doesn't puncture the battery, or else you will have big fire. Big fire. So be careful. Like that. If you puncture this, it's not going to be a very happy scene. I'm telling you that. It has happened to me. And the whole house was filled up with smoke. And the smoke smell, residue would last for like weeks. Okay, so I'm going to get the replacement battery now. Okay, so the replacement battery already has adhesive on the back, which you can peel like this and attach it here. Now, if it doesn't have the adhesive, you don't have to worry. You don't have to worry. You can use one of these to cut adhesive out of it. It's a double-sided 3M sticky sheet with, you know, adhesive on both sides. All right. Even though the adhesive is very strong, I mean, this thing is not going anywhere. But if you want to be on the safe side, you can put a little bit of tape on this as well. But the tape must not cover this area, because this area is where the cradle enters. Okay, this is where the cradle enters. So do not tape this. Now, what we do is we plug it back in. We plug it back in. That's the wrong way. It only goes in one way. And we plug in the speaker. Okay, it's a little tight, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this. Make sure both are securely in, and now you snap it back in. This will snap in. Make sure this doesn't fall. Snaps in. Okay, everything snapped in place. Turn it on. Make sure it works before you put the screws in. And we have to put it on maximum brightness for it to stop flickering. And there it is, maximum battery power, and it's already on maximum brightness, and it's good to go. And if you want to see the battery status again, you press and hold here. Press and hold, don't let go. Press and hold, don't let go. And there it is. The battery capacity is at 99%, and it's dropping at a very reasonable rate of 1% every minute. That's fine. If it drops 1% every minute, that's okay. It shouldn't drop faster than that. Okay? That's what it is. So let's turn this off now. Put the screws back in, and we are good to go. And there it is, up and running, good to go. Okay. All right. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please make sure to write a comment, and I will get to your questions. and this should be a piece of cake. This whole operation shouldn't take more than 15 minutes. And you can get, oh, by the way, you can buy the batteries on eBay, used batteries on eBay, or even brand new ones. You can get it on eBay. You're not going to be able to find original Garmin batteries, but you will find the aftermarket versions, which are just as good, if not equally good. Also, you can get it from AliExpress. Okay, thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe.